We're on SAT Practice Test 9, Math Section 2, Question 19. What's the level of difficulty here? It's hard. Most people will find this stupid hard. A lot of people are going to find it crazy stupid hard. I'm going to show you how to do this problem, of course, but let's pretend that you have no idea what to do. Is there a strategy? And there is. On hard questions only, you can pick the weird one. It works a remarkable amount of the time. Just go to the answer choices, ignore the question, and cross off answer choices that are relatively normal looking based on the answer choices. So what's relatively normal looking here? Obviously negative 100. What else? I think the next one is negative 9 over 2. A and C are really hairy looking, so if you're just going to guess between A and C. But let's do the problem. In the xy plane, the graph of the equation y equals negative x squared plus 9x minus 100 intersects the line y equals c at exactly 1 point. What's the value of c? So we're looking for c. Write it down and circle it. There's two equations here. You can skip this step, but think about it. If y is this thing and y is this thing, what are these two things? They're the same. So you should start by saying c equals negative x squared plus 9x minus 100. And then the other thing that you want to know, you're dealing with a quadratic equation. This is what a quadratic equation basically looks like. If you have exactly one solution, intersects at exactly 1 point, then b squared minus 4ac has to be 0. This is worth remembering, because we're putting in your calculator. b squared minus 4ac is the key here. It could either be 0, or bigger than 0, or less than 0. When you have exactly one solution, b squared minus 4ac is 0. Keep that in mind. So when we have quadratic equations, we have to set everything equal to 0. So I'm going to make the left side 0, which means I'm going to move the c across, so it's going to change signs. So I've got negative x squared plus 9x minus 100 minus c. All right, this is really ugly looking. Why? Because I got a negative x squared. I don't want that. So I'm going to divide through by a negative, and I'm going to get 0 equals negative x squared, which is x squared, minus plus 9x minus 9x, minus 100, it's plus 100, minus c plus c. Okay, got a quadratic equation. In the quadratic equation, even if you don't think you've been doing quadratic equations, you have since 9th grade. Looks like this. Do we have this thing? We do. Ax squared. So what is a? A is 1. 1x squared. What is b? B is negative 9. C is a little tricky. C is everything else. So c is 100 plus c. And then all you got to do is plug this stuff in to this equation over here. So what's b squared? It's negative 9 squared, 81, minus 4 times a, 4 times 1, which is 4, times c, so times 100 plus c, equals 0. Got to distribute here. 81 minus 400 minus 4c, right, equals 0. All right, I'm just going to move my 4c across the equal sign, make it positive. 81 minus 400, calculator math. It's negative 319. Oh, we're home free, man. Divide by 4 to get c by itself. And so c is negative 319 over 4, and that's answer choice C. This problem is hard. It takes some work, but you can get it right, and you can move on.